everyone! It's still our first day here at Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation Resort. For tonight, pupunta tayo sa restaurant nila for our dinner buffet. Yun yung pinaka-Valentine's dinner natin. So tara, sama kayo, kain tayo. Hi, Cyril! Ready for dinner? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go to dinner. Ito lang ako. Bye, Villa.
Basta po yung group nyo, sir, okay lang.
Ganda. Super happy. Okay, nandito na tayo sa main restaurant nila where they're holding their Valentine buffet for tonight. So mamaya silipin natin yung spread, pero yan, this is their setup for tonight. Alright, silipin natin yung spread nila for tonight. The dessert caught my eye kagad, so let's start here. Nice. The color of Valentine. O, diba? Wala lang labels, but I think this is red velvet cake. And then, vanilla or mango cake? I'm not sure, but it looks good. And I think these are butterscotch brownies. Okay, check natin yung dito. So they have the halo-halo station here, and then this is their bread station. Good evening po. And this is their, I don't know, kinilaw station. Okay. And then salad station. And here, beef caldereta. This is Jamaican pork ribs. Okay. Garlic chicken. Pasensya na, medyo madilim na nalalagyan ng shadow ko yung food. Ito, stir fry, mixed seafoods. And then, lapu-lapu, sweet and sour. Here they have pasta. So this is seafood marinara. And bami. This is good, masarap yan. Okay, and then here they have mixed vegetable curry. Okay. Then there's chop suey. And then, oy, biryani rice. This looks good. And then we have egg fried rice. And of course, steamed rice. And then dito they have, uy, matutuwa si Cyril. Crispy pata. And then, what's this? Chicken lollipop, I think. And, I don't know what this is. Ito, lumpiang Shanghai. And hindi ko napansin to. What is this? soup. This is, I don't know, pero beef siya. Okay, they have a good spread actually. Meron pa ba dun sa kabila? Tingnan natin. Ano po yung dito? Ah, Pad Thai. Oh, nice. They have a Pad Thai station. Okay. I think that's it. Sige. Punta na tayo sa table natin and then let's get some food. Okay, ito na food natin. Siyempre, inuna natin yung Pad Thai nila. Then we have the chicken. Tapos ito chicken din to, pero iba yung timpla. And then I think cheese yung loob nito. I don't know. And then we have the bami, and then crispy pata, and biryani rice. Ito muna yung unahin natin. Actually, konti lang yung spread nila, no? Pero let's see. I am so excited to try the Pad Thai. This is shrimp Pad Thai. Tanggalin natin tong ano, buntot ng shrimp. Cheers! Ang sarap! Oh my God! Cravings ko pa naman to. It's so good. Sakto yung timpla nila. Hindi ganun kaanghang, hindi ganun kaasim. And the peanut, I love it. Okay. Try natin to. Chicken, parang chicken lollipop something. Ay, ang sarap no. Parang ano bang tawag dito? Yung jerk fried chicken something. Parang bagay siya sa biryani. Kasi itong biryani nila, plain lang. Try natin. Masarap nga mga food nila. No? Kasi yung crispy pata, parang hindi na ganong malutong, no? Try natin. Let's try one. Harap nga. Let's try this. Parang potato croquette to eh. Parang nga. Tapos may cheese. Good din.
Mommy, come on, Shirley Max.
Oh yeah.
The cheese is not good.
And then, try natin itong bami. My God. Lahat masarap. Okay lang na konti lang yung spread nila, no? Quality naman lahat. Let's try the garlic fried chicken. Sakto lang din, hindi siya too garlicky. Okay dyan. Actually, I think, ang babalikan ko lang tonight yung Pad Thai. Okay, dessert na tayo. So, we got a little bit of everything. Walang mga label siya. Ito lang yung sure ako, na red velvet cake yan. Maybe this is Black Forest, and I don't know, vanilla mango cake or something. Pero, try natin. Okay, si Cyril medyo wala sa mood. Cyril, do you wanna join me for dessert? Okay. Ayan na si Cyril. Okay. Alright. What should we do first, ma'am? Ay, wait lang. Di ka kita. Ayan. Okay, dessert time. Cyril, anong una natin? Oh, this one. Okay. I think this is Black Forest cake. It's actually good. No? I mean, if I'm being honest, if I look at it, pakita ko sa inyo pag tinignan mo yung pinaka-texture niya, akala mo dry. But it's not. It's good. Okay. What's next, girl?
This one.
Ito yung parang vanilla. I don't know if it's vanilla or
There's also a part-
caramel.
there's
Yeah.
a part of it.
Vanilla or caramel or I don't know. Let's try it. That's mango cake.
Okay, this one. Wait, I'm gonna show it to them.
Okay, show it to them.
Like this.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. It looks like strawberry jam on top.
Oh yeah, you're right. Akala ko matigas, it's strawberry jam. Yeah, let's try it.
It is a jam.
I don't have a spoon, but let's try it. Oh my god,
Sour.
it's so sour. Wanna try it?
Yeah.
Just try it a little bit.
Just a little.
It's so sour. That's not for me. Okay. Whoa. What's next, Real?
No, disgusting. Okay.
What's next? Grabe naman.
Tonight promises a night of fun.
This one.
romance, and
I think this is
unforgettable
a
dinners
brownie.
From 6 p.m.
Oh, that was
with exciting games
this
kicking
one.
off at 7 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., be dazzled by our fire dance performance.
I think it's
We'll
caramel
end the
brownie.
evening with a comedy show at 8
It's good.
p.m. Sit back, relax, and
This
enjoy
one.
every magical moment
This one
here
is
at Disney
The heart. Okay, I think this is a donut. Oh, no. Oh,
Yes,
no,
I got
we
ice.
ruined it. We ruined it, but this is, I think this is donut.
Like anyway.
Or cookie? I don't know. I have no idea what that is.
It looks like
It's not a
biscuit.
cookie. It's not a cookie, yeah.
It's a biscuit.
Ganda yung ano niya, oh. Ay, nalaglag. Ayan yung pinaka ano niya, ilalim niya. A
Okay.
biscuit. Maybe you're right.
Last one is this.
Okay, the last
It looks
one.
like cheese.
Yeah. This is red velvet cake. And that's cream cheese.
Oh.
Okay. Red velvet cake.
Whoa.
Mm. Yung dessert, hindi siya wow. Pero it's good. Better than what I was expecting based dun sa itsura niya. Kasi nga, pag tinignan mo talaga yung itsura niya, parang dry yung texture eh. Di ba? Yung mga ganyan.
Guys, there's a pearl.
Oh, that's edible. Okay, I don't know kung kakain pa ako. Parang nabusog kami agad. Yeah, I think baka ito na lang dessert. And then we'll see kung ano pang gagawin natin for the rest of the night. Wala silang ice cream dun sa dessert, kaya nag-order si Suril. Pwede ka mag-order dito, oh. Dun sa may game zone and ice cream station nila. What did you order? What flavor?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Is it good?
Huh?
Can you taste it and tell me if it's good? Is it good? Yeah? 10 out of 10? Or sweet? Of course. Can you score it out of 10, Ilan?
I don't know.
What's the score?
9.8.
Wow, 9.8. Okay. Okay, katatapos lang namin mag-dinner. So, bili tayo ng coffee for takeout. Ngayon ko palang papasukin to si Pipoy and si Suril nakapunta na rito. We'll do a proper tour siguro tomorrow. Okay. I would have the iced caramel macchiato. Ikaw, ice mocha. Meron din sila mga ibang ano rito. May mga milkshake din sila. Fruit shake. May mga ano rin. Danishes. Okay, so inaantay na lang namin yung coffee and abang nag-aantay kami doon, may pa-program sila rito. So yun yung host, may question and answer sila, tapos nagbibigay sila ng prizes.
Okay, another one. Again, for those wala pa nanalo, you may choose your yes po. From the very back, feeling ko favorite song ko ito.
Okay, bago tayo bumalik, ano daw to si Surreal, magsaswing.
Yeah.
Okay. You can go what?
It's far.
Is it far?
No.
Baby, dito ka sa pathway. Madulas ka dyan.
Ito yung pathway man eh.
Oo nga, kala ko didiretso siya dun eh. It's too dark in here. Hindi ko alam kung kita, pero ang ganda nung ano. Yan ba yung main beach? Yan ata eh, no? We'll check that out tomorrow. Ayan na, ang baby girl na magsiswing. Natry niya ba yan kanina? Ah, okay. O, ilawan mo daw siya. Be careful. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh, ang galing ah.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's so high. You know, my Crocs fell earlier.
Really?
Yeah, I was riding on this and my shoe fell.
Alam mo ba kung ano yung nasagot kong tanong kanina doon? Ilan daw ang solar panels dito sa Dusit Thani Lubi Plantation? It's 1,836 panels. Oh, ayun pala yung bikes. I wanna rent a bike and go around.
Okay.
Not today. Not tonight. I mean, some other day.
Tomorrow?
Maybe.
Hey, tomorrow let's picnic.
You wanna picnic tomorrow?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, we'll see. Are you gonna eat? Di ka na kumakain eh.
May tumama sa sagot ko.
Oh, ito na yung fire dancers. Let's watch him. Hindi namin alam kung kita, but the stars are bright, right?
Yeah, bro.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you happy here?
Yes.
Yes. Whoa. Grabe, kakatakot no. ito manual to eh. Oh. 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 My God. Impressive. Yeah, that was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's the best I've seen.
It's the best you've seen. Okay, tapos na kami dito sa dinner. Babalik na kami sa villa. Nag-enjoy ba kayo today? Yeah, lalo na yung fire dancing, grabe. So anyway, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!